Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney. I film cruelty-free beauty videos all about shopping my stash and making thoughtful purchases. And today's video is going to be all about my secret weapon throughout my no-buy / my low-buy that has made all the difference for me. And that is fantasy carts and the creation of fantasy carts. So I feel like I kind of even doubted whether or not I should make a video on this. I really wrestled with it back and forth for quite a while because it's kind of like a duh concept, but I feel like it's been such a game changer for me in trying to reduce my consumption of makeup and my purchasing of makeup that I just had to make a video dedicated for it. So basically what a fantasy cart is a cart that you make online, whether it's on an app or a website. You fill it up with everything you may purchase, and then instead of hitting that purchase button, you just like walk away. And I feel like that's kind of a duh thing, but I wanted to make that clear before we started this video. I feel like fantasy carts really give me that same like kind of rush that I get from shopping and from buying makeup, and allow me to enjoy that experience without actually purchasing the makeup, A, spending that money, and B, adding those products to my collection. So I decided that the best way to kind of demonstrate this would be to do kind of an example fantasy cart. I asked you guys a couple of months ago at this point, I feel like it's been quite a while, on my community tab on YouTube what brand I should create a fantasy cart with, and a lot of you guys said Lethal Cosmetics. I tried to do it a couple months ago, but the video was a hot mess, and Lethal Cosmetics had like so many things out of stock on their website, so lots more things are in stock today, and I thought it would be fun to create a little Lethal Cosmetics cart with you guys. I'm kind of like low-key making a possible future cart because I've really been itching to place an order with Lethal Cosmetics. I just, when I'm off my no-buy, maybe I'll order something, but I'm really excited, so let's hop into it. Okay guys, so I'm on Lethal Cosmetics website. I'm just going to do a little screen grab with my phone so you can like see my face and the screen at the same time. Right off the bat on their homepage, the After Dark palette and the Velvet Dusk palette are back in stock. I'm gonna click shop now because there's a bundle. I didn't know there was a bundle. Both of those are really high up on my wish list. I think they're so gorgeous. So I'm gonna add these to the cart. Okay, now let's head over to their single shadows, because not gonna lie, I was kind of stalking their website earlier in preparation for this video. Ordinarily, if I was going to order single shadows from Lethal Cosmetics, I would use their palette builder, and I think that could be a fun separate video, but in today's video, I kind of just wanted to like throw things in my cart and not spend too much time like making my own palette. If that's something that you guys would want to see in the future, definitely let me know. I think that could be a really fun video idea. I don't have a ton of Lethal Cosmetics shadows, so like creating hypothetical palettes that I may order one day would be really fun. So let me scroll down and see what we're working with. I'm mostly interested in their matte shadows. I've tried their shimmer shadows before and like they're okay, but I'm not obsessed, so I would rather grab a couple more of their matte shadows. Although it does look like they have a new formula that's more glittery, so I may have to grab some of those. Look at Covet. How pretty does that look? It says it's a copper red gold trichrome with a glittery metallic finish. Yes please. Are there swatches? Okay, there's some swatches. That looks really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna add that to my cart. Another thing that I usually do when I create fantasy carts is I kind of just like, not randomly throw things in my cart, but I kind of throw things in my cart without much intention behind them. That's part of the fun of creating a fantasy cart. Sometimes I'll come back a couple days later and kind of comb back through my fantasy cart, but initially I usually just throw in everything that catches my attention. I want cryptic so bad, but like I also know that I have so many green shadows. You guys, I recently did a single shadow inventory video. So many green shadows, so many purple shadows, so many blue shadows. Like, I'm good. I don't need any more of those colors. I'll link it down below if you guys want to watch it. But I'm kind of trying to stay away from those. Ooh, okay, here looks like more of those new shadows. Limbo looks so pretty. It says it's a champagne with a gold and copper reflex with a glittery metallic finish. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Weirdly enough, I feel like a big hole in my single shadow collection is like inner corner shades. Other than like multi-chromatic inner corner shades, I just don't have like a good like straight up champagne to pop in my inner corner, which is really weird. Undone also looks super duper pretty. I wonder, is this in the, this might be in the Vintage Dusk palette. I think the other shadow that we threw in here might be in that palette too. Okay, we might have to take that out of my cart. Oh, okay. I have had my eye on Yonder like forever and ever. It's like a dusty turquoise shadow, and I don't know why, but I'm always deeply attracted to it, so I'm gonna throw that one in my cart as well. So next, you know what, let's finish checking out their palettes. They also have this other palette. Oh, it's out of stock. The Dream Sign palette, this one right here, that I just like die over every time I go on their website. And I think I would like to own this one eventually. Maybe I need to just create like a singles version of this palette, because the more that I look at it, the more I'm like, you have those colors, but I'm just like in love with this color story. I think it's so fun and so pretty. Ooh, you know what, now that I say that, let me go look at their yellow single shadows. I feel like yellow is a category where I'm just like seriously lacking. Let's add Daybreak to my cart. All right, now onto their gel liners. I desperately want to try some of these gorgeous gel liners. Okay, I'm kind of into Hurts, which is a beautiful like mustardy shade, gorgeous. Also really into Threshold, a matte peacock teal, like gorgeous. Ox also looks absolutely incredible. It's supposed to be a matte mid shade. I kind of really like Reverb too, but I feel like I would not get as much use out of that one. Let's throw it in our fantasy cart just for now. I'll go back through it with you guys once we finish going through the website. I also really want to try their, oh, they have face palettes. I really want to try their highlighters. I kind of want to try Ionic, but that one's out of stock right now. Oh, they even have like pre-curated palettes. Okay, well the shade that I want in their highlighter is out of stock, so I guess we're gonna skip that for now. Not really interested in their blushes or bronzer, to be totally honest with you guys. I've got plenty of those, but I am interested in their lip glosses. I love the packaging on them, and I've heard, really good things about them. So let's see what kind of shades they have in stock. See, like, they have such cool shades. Like, they have a gray. Like, I would never wear a gray, but some people out there could rock that shade, and I think that's so cool. All the shades that I want of the lip gloss are out of stock, so let's head over to... let's just go look at their lipsticks for funsies. Most of those are out of stock too. That's also the problem with Kaleido Cosmetics. A lot of the time, a lot of their stock, or a lot of their products are out of stock. So it's hard to kind of grab everything you want in one go. Let's go check out their empty palettes. I have one palette from them and I just absolutely love it. It's super high quality. It's a little 12 pan palette. Yeah, it's this Hive palette right here. I'm gonna add another one of those to my cart because I feel like I'm constantly looking for more 12 pan palettes. Kind of interested in the Prismatic palette too. I don't really need that one. I just want it. Okay guys, so I feel like we're at the point with my cart where I'm kind of done browsing the website, and now we're going to reassess the situation. So my total right now is $200, which is far more than I would ever want to spend on Kaleido Cosmetics' website. So at this point, I kind of like to go through my cart and comb through it. Again, like I said, sometimes I do this a couple days later, but I kind of want to go through my cart and really pick out all the things that I don't want. So I'm 98% sure that Limbo and Covet are actually in the Velvet Dust palette, so I'm going to take those out of my cart really quick. Yonder, I'm still like deeply attracted to on a spiritual level, so I'm going to keep that one in my cart. Let's look at the eyeliners. See, these are so fun. I have such a hard time saying no because they're so fun, and I feel like they're very versatile. Oh, I had two Hurts in my bag. Oops. Hurts is a really fun shade. I think I'm gonna keep that one in there. I really love Threshold 2 Ox. I love Ox, but I don't know how much use I would get out of it, so I'm gonna get that one out of my cart. And I feel like I should take Reverb out too. I don't think I would get as much use out of that one either. So I think I'm pretty happy with my cart right there. We're at $155.59, so we knocked off like 50 bucks. That's not really something that I'm comfortable spending right now, but since this is just a fantasy cart, this could be my pre-made cart for an upcoming sale or when they have a better deal going on. But having made this cart, I kind of feel that urge to shop sated a little bit, enough so that I can like go distract myself and do other things. I don't have that overwhelming urge to buy. So I think that's going to wrap up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I hope that it was helpful. If you have any other questions about making a fantasy cart or any other low buy tips that you're looking for, definitely leave them for me down below in the comments. I would love to chat about it. I'm not like a low buy expert, but this is a strategy that I found works really, really well for me. It kind of helps me forget about the need to shop for makeup. But that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!